Guys, you have been asking for this. A literal beast that's ready to hit the track. They said, make it happen for real. And well, BMW actually did it. Check this out. I mean, holy moly. Just wait until you see the detail on this thing. It is insane. Look at those glowing grills. It looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie. That matte finish is just, wow. And there it is, the M3 Touring 24H. Carbon fiber everywhere. This is the ultimate racing wagon. Wow, just look at that insane illuminated kidney grille glowing in the dark. The lights hit the ground, and you already know something serious is coming. Here it comes. The beast is waking up. Meet the BMW M3 Touring 24H. The ultimate family hauler that just went full race mode. Those aggressive yellow eyes staring you down. I'm not okay. Turn around, and it gets even better. Those razor-sharp L-shaped taillights glowing like embers in the night. Pure aggression. Oh my gosh, something is stalking us in the dark. Those fierce yellow eyes are locking onto me, and I'm here for it. Here she is, the BMW M3 Touring 24H. That massive illuminated grille and those angry headlights. This wagon just got way too dangerous. Look at these headlights up close. They're literally shaped like 77. If this was real life, I'd be screaming right now. It's so awesome. Slowly moving around. Massive rear wing, that aggressive stance. Check out the huge Gen M wing and that perfect shooting brake shape. You dreamed it.
Look at this thing just sitting there. The BMW M3 turned to 4H looking like pure trouble in the best way possible. Those razor-sharp taillights glowing red, massive rear wing, and that wild camouflage wrap screaming race car. Hashtag web built it. Oh honey, you really did. This wagon is serving serious attitude. Wait for it. Oh my god. Those glowing yellow eyes and that huge illuminated grille. The BMW M3 turned to 4H is staring straight into my soul, coming at you like a proper monster. This is not your average family wagon anymore. Those glowing eyes in the shadows. I'm already obsessed. This is the BMW M3 turned to 4H. And yes, it's real. Stickers and full front appear. You flooded them with comments. You begged for it. And BMW actually listened. You dreamed it. We built it. Look at all your messages stuck on the car. Side profile with wing and comments, or race spec wagon with a massive rear wing. Yokohama slicks, and it's heading straight to the Nürburgring 24 hours. Are you kidding me? I want this more than anything right now. Well, congratulations. It's here. That aggressive stance, and those headlights staring right at you. Based on the M4 GT3 Evo, it's got a 3.0-liter twin-turbo straight-six, pumping out up to 590 horsepower, a 6-speed sequential gearbox, and that massive swan neck rear wing, 200 millimeters longer than the GT3, carbon fiber everywhere. And it's heading to the Nürburgring 24 hours this May. A wagon in the green hell. Those headlights staring at you. Yokohama tires, full race suspension. This thing is actually competing against proper GT3 cars. Look at that aero, the roll cage inside, the pure aggression. Under the bonnet sits a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six P58 engine, the same as the GT3 Evo, pumping out up to 590 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed, extract sequential gearbox, sending power to the rear wheels only. Development took just 8 months. It weighs in super light with a full roll cage, race suspension, and massive brakes. Inside, modern racing seats, and yes, it can even be fitted with an optional co-driver seat for a race taxi experience. Top speed. In race trim it's limited but easily capable of over 280 kilometers per hour on the straights. Acceleration is brutal, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in well under 3.5 seconds on track. This thing is built to survive the green hell. Look at that giant wing catching the sunset, and those taillights glowing. It's competing in the SPX class at the 2026 Nürburgring 24 hours in May. A family wagon taking on proper GT3 cars. How cool is that? As for cost, this is a pure one-off prototype race car, so no official price tag. But expect something in the millions if you ever wanted one like it. 5 seats in the road version. But this racer is all about the driver, with room for one lucky passenger. The 2026 BMW M3 turned to 4H, practical, insane, and now a real Nürburgring contender. You dreamed it. They built it. Insanely cool, right? If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for more amazing car reviews.